This is blackjack, and you have a machine in front of you. I mean, you have the touchpad, and you have your own money, and you can sit out a game if you want. I really like this game. It's a $10 game. You can do everything that you can do in real live blackjack. Now let's see if they, if you get credit on your rewards. That will tell me if they're making this game, or if they're taking the risk, or if someone else is. Let's see. I don't see anything saying no, you can't. Table is closed. Got that. Okay, that one's going over there. Let's go check that one out. Want to? So I'm going to try to get a glimpse of this screen. It's got a glare on it. Sorry about that. But there's cameras so good that the screen looks just like her up-close version of her cards, her money. Drops right down on your screen just like it was a real card. Really, really neat. Really good technology with the cameras. I'll wait till she throws another card out there and I'll show you. Okay, see that? Card dropped down right there, so now he's got two cards. I can't tell what they are. He won, so you'll see the coins going down into his rack. Just like if you were sitting there and she was pushing the coins to you, the chips. So actually this area had this game before anyone else. It was the blackjack, live blackjack. But now there's those individual tables with 5 seats with the blackjack. And then this is the electronic roulette with a live roulette dealer. Pretty cool. So I wonder if you can play the blackjack right here, because you got the screen right in front of you. This is the roulette, obviously. So I guess you play only the blackjack over here. Stadium Blackjack. Okay, so that's Stadium Blackjack, and what we saw before was traditional blackjack. Traditional table blackjack. Yeah, I like it. Good technology. So I'm looking on these machines, the other ones and this Stadium, and I don't see any wording that says you're not eligible for comps or something like that. There's different wording, like on Shoot to Win and the bubble craps and the electronic craps, all the standalone craps and the standalone blackjacks. They say you're not eligible for comps and you're not eligible for rewards. That's because outside companies own those machines. They lease space from the casinos. But it appears that this is not the case on these machines, since they have a live dealer. I think if you see a live dealer, you're still going to get your comps and stuff. So you're going to put your player's card in. You need to confirm that at each place, because it might be different. Everybody's got a different deal. But I think you're going to find, if they've got the live dealer, that means that they are taking the risk of the losses. So they're going to give you comps, just like you're at a live table with live money.
I look at it so far.